Now let us discuss about the social milestones in children. Social milestones. At 1 month of baby, at 1 month, baby looks at his mother intensely when talking to. When mother talks to the baby at 1 month of age, he just looks at his mother. Okay, so he looks at the mother intensely when talked to. When mother speaks to the baby, it just keeps on looking at her. Okay, at say 2 months of age, at 2 months of age, he'll start giving smile. He'll guards, that means social smile. He is able to smile at it at this age. Okay, at 2 months, social smile is seen. At 3 months of age, the baby can recognize his mother. Recognize. One thing we have to remember is recognizing mother is a milestone, but recognition of father is not a milestone. Okay, at 6 months of age, at 6 months, mirror play appears. That means when he looks at the image of himself in the mirror, he plays with that mirror. That means he can he can actually give smile like that. When he looks himself in the mirror, he plays with that image. Okay, at 6 months, mirror play appears. Mirror play appears. At 7th month of age, the baby starts start feeling anxiety and strangers. When he looks at strangers, he'll, his anxiety will develop. Okay, at 7th month, when a stranger comes and asks and takes him from his mother, he'll feel anxiety. Okay, stranger anxiety. Stranger anxiety. At 8th month, object permanency. That means at 8th month, what happens is when you place object in front of the baby, if the baby likes the object to be present in front of him always. Okay, when you place some object at his uh, when you place object in front of the baby, what baby wants is that object to be present before at his side always. Okay, that is what is called object permanency. At 8th month, what happens is object permanency. At 9th month, the baby starts waving bye bye. Okay, he'll start waving bye bye. Okay, waves bye bye. Okay, at 10th month, place peaks above. That means at 10th month, usually what we do is when children's when you go to children, we'll close our face and opens and says boo, right? So when you do this, he'll start responding to that. That means he smiles, he laughs. Okay, like that. So when you do this, the child will respond. That means he feels happy. At 10th month, place peaks above. Okay, at 12th month, what happens is he kisses on a request. When you request the baby to kiss someone, he can kiss. He will kiss actually. Okay, at uh, at 12th month, kisses on request. Kisses on request. And he can actually play a simple ball game. You can also play simple ball game. Okay, in the 15th month, points you can point to a object. Okay, at 15th month, points to object. And yeah, when the baby becomes wet due to urination or due to some other cause, when he becomes wet, it can indicate that he is wet. Okay, it can give some indications that he is wet. Okay, at 15th month, he points to object and he indicates wet points, wet point, wet points, wet point. Okay, at 18th month, 2 days happens. At 18th month, 2 days happens. Let us see what are these 2 days. 2 days. One is it will be dry during daytime. That means it indicates before passing urine. Before passing urine during daytime, it will give some indications. One day is dry during day, and second day is un- domestic mimicry. Domestic mimicry. Domestic mimicry. At 2 years of age, when you when you place two babies side by side, they will play themselves. They will not play together. They will be in their world, their respective worlds. mm, those two children will not play commandly. That means when you place two children commandly, they will not play together. They will play themselves, themselves alone. Okay, after 2 years of age, parallel play. Parallel play. At 3 years of age, when you place the same kids side by side, they'll play together. That means join in play. The two will join in play. Okay, and you'll know his or her name. Okay, they will also know his or her name. They can actually know age, gender also. Now they are dry during even night also. That means when they become, they can know when before urinating, they can suggest. Okay, dry during night also. Dry during night also. This is what happens at third year. At fourth year, the child can go to toilet alone. At fourth year, can go to toilet alone. Okay, and at fifth year, he starts playing on he can start helping to his mother in some simple household tasks. Okay, at fifth year, he'll start helping his mother in some simple things. At fifth year, start helping to his mother. Start helping in some simple household works. And he can start distinguish from morning to evening. That means he can distinguish what is morning and what is evening. Distinguish morning and evening, and he can differentiate two weights. That means if place one weight in one hand and other weight on other hand, you can say which weight is more heavier. Okay, distinguish between two weights. Distinguish weights. And you can follow 3-step command. Can follow 3-step command.